it's your girl Pretty Zaza to back with another banger. I'm back with what? Another banger. So today my video is not crazy again. Like last time, decided to work. Today I'm back with I don't know how you guys gonna call it, but cleaning free. Right now I'm very active. And so I decided I have nothing to do. I don't have anything to do. What possibly any work can I have? Came and said, let me do a video cleaning. Let's grow together. Our fridge is not that big, it's just a mini fridge. This just a little mini fridge. But by the time I get to 100k subscribers, 1.1 million subscribers, this and that's when I'm gonna buy a bigger fridge. So let me set the camera and be right back. So guys, don't laugh at me, but this is the only posture I can find to put my camera. And my fridge has nothing. It only have food, milk, and what? And let's just do for ourselves. My God. Okay. Ta-da! What the heck? So guys, this is my fridge, and as you can see, there is nothing much. Hold on, let me zoom in the camera. Let me just zoom in quickly, be right back. As you can see, there is nothing in the fridge. There's nothing in the fridge like you. Okay, so I'm gonna remove everything that in the fridge. So first of all, we have this naming. We have some naming. I'm gonna place it here. We have some food, and we have. I'm back. It took like 1 hour before I came back, and I did not find a big cloth of cleaning the food, so I used my clothes, like my clean clothes. I just cleaned the table, so let's clean the fridge. So guys, I just figured out that if I keep this camera looking just facing this way, even when I know what I'm doing, so I just pause the video and face the camera looking this way. Okay, be right back, guys. Oh my God, being that content creator is really hard, guys. Hey, I don't have no camera. fridge. So let's rinse the fridge. Guys, I'm gonna be right back. Let me bring some new. Let me bring some what? Some clean water again. Oh my god, guys, I am back and 3 hours later, I am done cleaning the fridge. Sorry, meaning stocking the things that you removed from there. Actually, I forgot to post the video where I was finishing cleaning, and I'm done right now. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like start putting things in the fridge. So put with me and let's go together. So as you can see, the fridge is clean right now. The fridge is very super clean, very smoochy, is very anything. So let's put in things back. So we have this milk. Let's place it here. Let it in there. And then that the milk is done. And we got these lemon. These are lemon. Let's put it. Bro. There. And we got this milk. Let's put it right here. And we got my food. Let's put it right here. And this place, I'm gonna bring some 3 waters. Let me bring them, guys. So the fridge is clean, super sparkly. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The fridge is all clean. So let me be back with the 3 bottles of water. So guys, you're back with the water now. And never mind those bottles there. So and guys, this is how my fridge looks right now. Very sparkly. So yeah, that's all. I'm right here. So guys, that's the end of the video. I'm a little sweating. Like I told you guys before, I live in the hottest place ever. I'm done. And as you can see, we clean my fridge with you guys. So you guys supposed to support me. Like, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, guys, don't let me down. Those 21 people, can't you just like the comment? Just say, guys, keep going, keep going. Like, make me not to do what? To give up on my dream. My dream is to become a biggest content creator like Jordan Matter, Piper Raquel, who else? Tiffy Dolly, Casey, all those people, and you guys are not supporting me, guys. That's so sad. So guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And see you in the next video, guys. Bye.